It's just, how did I get this for real?
Really, what it is you have an infection around the cuticle there. So this could have happened. You could have had a little, cuticle area that you picked at,
Okay.
or maybe you were working with a cuticle tool and pushed too far back or something.
Okay.
But what it is, somehow or another, a bacteria has gotten under the skin.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to numb up your finger, and then we're going to take a scalpel, we're going to open it up and drain that
I'm just
infection
gonna
for you.
numb the whole part.
Yes, that's
Correct.
yes, that's what we're hoping for.
Oh, that's what I'm hoping for too.
You're hoping for that also? Me right here. That's where I want you to go, right there. Okay, you're going to feel a little stick. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Little stick stinging a burn.
Burn, sorry.
There you go.
We're almost done.
Son of a biscuit! Oh my god!
Did that stung a little bit?
Ah!
The medicine.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
For a second there, I thought we were going to be treated to an expletive. But no.
She scared me. No, I'm just kidding.
We're going to wait just a
I'll
moment.
keep it PG rated.
That's no. Hey, listen.
I was waiting on it. I was like, whoa.
I can beep it right out.
Yeah.
No, you're fine. I'm used
There's
to
a lot of
you got
research
my
out
son,
there.
I have a lot of
There's research out there
code words.
that says that by at the moment of intense pain, if you use an expletive, it makes the pain not hurt as much. That's true. Did you know?
Really?
Yes, it is. How's it feel? Does it feel asleep?
Yes.
It does. Okay.
Looks like you have snake bites.
Yeah, it kind of does. A little snake bites there.
I thought I can't stretch out my finger. Is that normal?
Yeah, that's pretty normal. Why don't you look over that way?
I mean, dang.
This is number 11 blade. We're just going to make a little incision here, and we're see.
You feel pain or you feel
might feel a little
pressure?
pressure, but you should not feel pain.
I'm fine.
Here we go.
Yeah, a little bit right there. You feeling pressure or pain?
Don't feel too much of anything. I feel mostly at the very tip of my finger.
The very tip, huh?
Oh yeah, right there. Oh my.
Easy does it.
Mhm.
Why don't you take a look at your finger?
No, because I faint.
Do you faint?
Yes.
We don't want her to faint,
Yeah, we
do
don't
we?
want
I faint.
Good news is we have relieved the paronychia now. Take a deep breath. And now we're just going to put a dressing on this. And the throbbing should now stop. And you're going to soak this in some warm soapy water a couple of times a day today, a couple of times today, and then maybe tomorrow too. And take the antibiotics. I gave you something for pain like I promised.
Okay.
All right? And I bet you just do fine. If you have any more problems, you're going to let us know, okay?
You got it.
All right. We don't have a nickname yet, so we're going to give our patient a chance to come up with one on his own.
Colorado.
Colorado? No, I'm going to call him Tarzan.
Why? We have a Tarzan.
No, we haven't had a Tarzan.
He don't look like a Tarzan.
You don't have to look like Tarzan to be a He might be a Tarzan and you don't know.
Okay.
What are you
Okay,
trying to say?
whatever.
Does Tarzan
No.
have a look?
Well, he doesn't have on a skirt and he doesn't have long hair.
Tarzan didn't wear a skirt.
He had on a skirt.
He had on animal clothing. Skins.
With
All right,
slits.
all right, we're calling you Tarzan anyway.
All right.
How's it going, pal? Good. Ty, I just put gloves on. Oh, man, you know better than that. All right, so you've got a problem. Can you see okay, Gumby Jean?
Yes, it's not blurry.
All right, it's not blurry. So what's going on with your finger here, bud?
Infection, I'm guessing, under the cuticle.
All right, when did this begin?
About a week ago.
Did you try to pull some skin pieces or any cuticle issues or anything like that, or
No, not that I recall.
did you go out work and do something unusual with the flooding or anything like that? Do we need
I
to worry
was
about?
doing that, and
Did you bite your nails?
I do bite my nails, and I was working in my pond.
Working on what kind of pond do you have?
Just in the backyard, just it's about 700 gallon pond.
Okay, what do you have in the pond?
Water?
I have a little pond. That's fine.
Yeah, no, I don't have any fish.
I
don't have
have
fish.
water.
I have some koi.
Yeah, those are nice.
I have some koi. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically just squeezing your finger. I'm going to apply some mechanical anesthesia is what I call this. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to compress these nerves here that are going through your finger. You have a nerve that runs through each side of the finger, right? Okay, so I'm squeezing them, and in a moment you're going to get numb down here.
discoloration.
Yeah. You're going to get numb because I have performed a digital block with my fingers, just squeezing the base of your finger there, okay? My finger and thumb. And so we're going to also spray some cold spray on this, and then we're going to use a scalpel and make a little nick. Could I get alcohol swab, please, Gumby G?
Yes, you can have an alcohol sweet.
Alcohol sweet. That definitely is sweet. Has this drained at all?
No, sir.
You had one of these once before we drained, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. I almost poked it myself. But I thought, no, I should come see you ladies.
Is that hurting?
No, sir.
Well, it was hurting before though, right?
Yeah, last night it was actually throbbing a little bit.
Yeah. So we're going to give you some antibiotics to take and just have you do some warm soaks on this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tarzan, are you ready?
Let's do it.
You okay if we record your procedure for all our friends on VidMe and other
Yes.
places around the world?
That's fine.
You're awesome, thanks. Gummy Jean, let's see if you can hit the target. She's going to get that good and cold for us. Perfect. Did it hurt?
No, sir.
Amazing, huh?
Actually, that spray hurts more than
The spray,
Yeah,
the
it's
spray
really
was
cold.
actually kind of cold, wasn't it? That's pretty wild how that came out like that. So hopefully this is going to go ahead and just continue to drain now. Now that we've gotten this pressure released. So we're going to give you some antibiotics. You're going to do some warm soaks, and that'll go ahead and heal now. You're going to be good. Thanks for letting us record your procedure, Tarzan. Can you do the Tarzan call for us?
Absolutely not. Hers is
Can't
better
do
than
it
mine.
either.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps, quote, make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system, end quote. If you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today. There are Amazon links in the description below. Order today with Amazon Prime. Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.